Diagram 8.1 shows the digestive system of the herbivore, and the question asks to describe how the cellulose in the plant fibers are digested and how the products of the digestion of cellulose are absorbed into the body of the herbivore. So, before we answer the question, we need to jot down all the important information that have given by the stimulus, which is the diagram. The stimulus does not mention what type of digestive system is the diagram, so we can mention it in our answer. So we got P1 for it. Next, we need to begin with the mouth, followed by the stomach, and then cecum and the appendix, and finally the anus. The cecum and the appendix of the rodent are special because it will enlarge to store microorganisms that will secrete the cellulase enzyme. Cellulase will hydrolyze cellulose to simple sugar, which is glucose in the cecum and appendix. Hence, some glucose are absorbed back to the cecum. The absorption of the glucose will not occur in the rectum, but the rabbit will re-swallow the digested cellulose of it left the anus at cecum. The condition of the feces is soft to easier the absorption. All the glucose is then absorbed into the blood capillaries of villus in the ileum of the rodent. Next question, the diagram 8.2 shows a food pyramid. Based on the diagram 8.2, explain how a teenager may be able to plan his daily diet wisely to maintain the normal growth and good health. In order to answer the question, we need to know each type of food classes at each level. And also we need to know the function and how to practice the healthy diet to be able to explain it further. P2 and P3 are actually the meaning of the balanced diet. P6 and P7 are explaining about the carbohydrate, and P8 until P10 are explaining about the protein and the function of the proteins. We already have enough points to answer the question, but we also can add some more. For example, the explanation for vitamins, fibers, and the fats.